Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and I want to just make this video, guys, because these are some of the things I adapt. When I actually came to Kenya. Today is my wife's birthday, and as you know, in Kenya, flowers is like a thing. You will just pass in on the streets and see flowers. And where I come from in Jamaica, I don't know if it's where I'm from. As you know, I'm from the countryside. I'm a countryman, so I don't know if these things is actually you see normally on the streets in uptown Jamaica. I want you guys to comment and let me know in uptown Jamaica if you can pass and see flowers like this, where you can actually buy for your wife if there's a special occasion and you just feel like to surprise her. You're going home from work, you just want to bring flowers. Just let me know, family. As you know, because in Kenya it's just different. It's just normal for you to be. I seen the guys them in the village talking about flowers and stuff. So it's just a thing here in Kenya for people to actually buy flowers and stuff. So I just want to make this video for my Jamaican fans. So if you're out there and you actually if you're from uptown Jamaica, you ever live in uptown Jamaica, I would just like to know if this is a norm in uptown Jamaica. Like you'll see somebody go out and just come back with flowers, or you just pass by on the streets. As I used to live in Kingston, and that was like uptown Jamaica anyways, because I used to live at Stadium Gardens. But I never used to live up in like Red Hills and those places. I used to maybe just pass through. But I just want to know, family, because I know uptown Jamaica live different from, ghetto Jamaica and, middle class Jamaica and country Jamaica. So there's different levels in this in the West. But when you come to Africa, it's just, it's not really a small gap. It's just normal. And the culture that we know about is like, you'll only see Muzungu buying flowers and stuff. Because even where I'm living now, sometimes I'll just see the Muzungu coming in with flowers and stuff. But on a general level, female normally like flowers, whereas if it's a special day. So guys, let me know how these flowers look. It's her birthday today, and I just want to actually, I went on the road to get some stuff, and I just want to surprise her with these flowers. This is not really the birthday gift, but it's just, it's just something that you see on the road and you just buy it, because generally women love flowers. So, and this is just for like maybe $3 for these flowers. So let me know, guys, in your country, if you buy flowers for your wife, let me know. For your girlfriend, for a date, normally you'll buy flowers for a date, and so let me know. And although for most men, buying flowers is not a thing, but if you like just dating and you just like maybe a galley, so you just like, I know every man different, and some man don't believe in buying flowers and stuff because they feel like it's too nice and stuff. But I never used to do these things, but it's just when I came to Kenya and I see like it's normal. You just have to just adapt, family, because it's normal, and this is a culture. Female normally get flowers. Depends on the class that you're in. You have to these things you have to do. So as a man, you grow into the man you want to be, and and you have to just adapt to it once you reach that level in life. When you're young, it's not the same as when you reach in your 30s. You have to change into a different man. You have to, you don't really want to like do certain things anymore as a man. And that's the reason why for most females, if you're looking for a serious man is from 33 to maybe, depends on your age group. From 33 upwards, 35 upwards, you'll find a serious man who's really want to settle down and have a family. So this is just some dating tips for the females them out there, because and most likely you'll find that these men have them life together, them have things and stuff to support and sustain a family. So I just want to make this video for you guys to see and know, just some little dating tips out there for you guys, for females looking for a guy, for a man You just have to know the right man to pick and the right man to choose, because if you choose, you're gonna lose. If you choose the wrong one, you're gonna lose, family. So guys, let me know in the comments if you buy flowers, or you know what I mean, if you're from Jamaica, let me know if this happening in uptown Jamaica. You know, let me know. This is a part of Jamaican culture. You just foreigner come in and do it. You know, I highly doubt though. I don't normally see a regular Jamaican do this anyways. But as I said, guys, you have to change. You know, you have to adapt, and that's how you learn and grow, family. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Let me go and give her these flowers on her special day to see how she feel about it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
I'm going to put them in our vase. Yes. I changed my clothes.
Okay, why?
Surprise! This is the outfit. Outfit of the day. Thank you so much, love.
Yeah, family, so let me know in the comment box if, you know what I mean, flowers is a thing in Jamaica.
Oh, it's a thing.
It's not a thing in Jamaica, sweetie.
For real?
I want to know in the comment box if it is. So let me know, family, in the comment box if flowers is a thing in Jamaica. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. I'm out. Today is your birthday, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling nice.
Feeling
Because I'm a mom already. I'm a wife. I'm baby girl at the same time.
yeah.
So I'm feeling nice. At least God has given me another year.
Yeah.
Yes.
I know what many more will be coming.
Many more years to come.
Yes.
Until we see generation and generation and generation.
Yeah, family. So, which Miss Jam Tours, happy birthday. Miss Jam Tours.
It's jam time. Thank you. I didn't see this coming. But
As normally, as I said, I adapt this buying flowers since I here in Kenya.
Actually, yeah. So, okay, well,
Normally we don't do this in Jamaica.
But later in the day.
Yeah.
But not now in the morning.
No, I bought it from the same place for Mother's Day. They always have nice flowers.
Yeah, I noticed because of the...
And as you know, in Quick Mart, they now have some little fake
They're
flowers.
so, yeah, these ones are fresh. I think they bring them in the morning. And then they take long, like before they spoil.
Yeah.
Gonna get a vase. Gonna put them in a vase. Thank you. It's so nice.
Yeah. This is my wife, Earth Day. And so she want to come out for dinner. So we're at the village market. And your favorite spot is what? CJ. So we're going to just take her for a little small brunch, lunch, dinner, family. So I just want to make this short vlog for you so you can watch it. So what do you want to buy?
Yeah?
What do you want to buy?
I need to buy a few dresses from depending on what I'm seeing. If they don't get something nice, I will shop tomorrow. And also I need to get Hamesh something.
Okay. Alright, family. So let's go. My battery is low. Let's go. See them here? Different sizes and things.
We should give me a credit card. I spend it. Utakuja hivi na hii mchele.
You choose two. One is chicken, beef, or fish. So you prepare chicken with
Zike zimechanganyikana.
beef with additional. Kama kama beef peke yake. Na
Nimenaona. So what is this mangoes beef?
ni beef peke yake. But we don't use
The yogurt.
cream.
Well, sasa hii itakuja na mchele.
Itakuja na mchele.
Okay. hizi kuna moja.
Vyakula moja. Badala ya bei, unataka kukula gani?
Fish.
Fish. We have fish curry.
You have fish curry alone. Alafu itakuja na mchele, nataka na mchele.
Haina shida.
Hivyo.
Haina shida.
Fish curry na hiyo rice.
The same.
Yeah, in Max. I told him this vest, it can't fit me. So that like, I don't want to explain a lot.
Yeah.
He's like, oh, it's fine.
Yeah, family. So we're actually at CJ's, and it's just a nice restaurant where you can come and have good fresh food. So it's at Village Market. So if you come to Kenya, you can actually
check it out.
be sure to check out CJ's. It's at Village Market. So you want the food, or you could finish the food.
Well, I thought I will, but I think I was so hungry. I was really starving. And then I ate the starter.
The soup.
And then I was drinking it like... So by the time the food is coming, I'm full.
All right, family. So you should never finish the food. I finished mine.
But I've enjoyed.
Enjoy.
I've eaten like half of it.
Okay. So we have to just pack it and go.
Yeah, I'm sure by the time I'm reaching home, there'll be no food there.
Yeah, family. So this is Ankiru from Jam Tours Africa. This is Miss Jam Tours' birthday. So like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know if you ever been to CJ yet. Let us know.